Hey guys, I'm back with another update video on my Derby truck. So, well, I guess this is my engine here, but I got my fuel pump regulator set up. Got all the wires or the hoses cut to length, and got it wired up there to a toggle switch for engine stand. And I got the Brawler 750 CFM mechanical secondaries carb on there now. Got it fired up last night and it runs good. Maybe it doesn't have as much power as that, but it's good enough for Derby. So I also pulled all the wiring out of this pickup. I'm gonna redo it all. I've got my gauges set in there with painted the gauge cluster thing so it looks nice, and got my little camera up there, cheap $30 GoPro knockoff. So got two new tires. I think those are 15-inch rims, which I need because these back tires took a beating. So yeah, those should work good. I'll put a Voth stem protector on there. And then got a pegboard up on our shop workbench. Let's see. Yeah, that's about it that's happening here. But that new little addition I brought up last update video, well, it's here. So here it is. It's another truck. It's a square body Chevy. Used to be a dually. No rear end. It's all built. I think we're gonna take this out. Pretty nice cage. The only downfall is the bumper's really low. I'm gonna have to cut these off. And the steering box is full of water, so I don't know how that's gonna work. But frame is extremely thick, so it should hold up regardless of it going the shape of the frame. And yeah, so this is the front clip here. It's been in one Derby. Got it for free because no truck derbies are around here anymore, and the dude said it's just taking up space. So since my brother's got a pre-ran, I've got a pre-ran in there, and my dad ain't got one, I decided I'm gonna give this to him. So we'll all three be running pre-rans next year and maybe get our good trucks done. So yeah.